Everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight I am going to share with you the last embellishment project for my beach themed embroidery hoop that I'm going to be sending off this weekend. And I was going to come on yesterday, but I shared with you guys that I had pulled a groin muscle in my leg, and yesterday it was showing out. So all I could do was to come home and just rest. Much better today. I think that's the thing with groin muscles, pulls, strains. You just have to just rest. So today we didn't. Today we went to Hobby Lobby actually because at work there's one close by. So I'll show you a few things I got there. I just wanted to pick up one thing and I ended up getting 12 things, but you know how that goes. So I want to show you this project because I thought it was a very cool idea. I watched a video on Craftpurge, Toni's channel. It was 3 years old, the video, and she had gotten happy mail from Pretty Paper Things, and in the happy mail was this gift, and I thought, oh, I have to do it because I just have to. This is the last thing. It is so such a smart idea. So you all saw the embroidery hoop, and I just have in here the what is that, pokey tool, and then I have the cake die cuts that I created, and I have this tag in an envelope that I created earlier in the couple of months ago, and then I have some, I don't even know what's in here, but I showed those on my channel too. They are I don't know if they're bag toppers. Anyway, I don't feel like taking it all out, but here it is. I can't wait for her to see it. And then 2 nights ago, I made these flag embellishments, and thank you guys for all of your comments. Oh my gosh, aren't they just, the colors are just pow. I definitely will be making some more because I have little pieces of chipboard, decorative chipboard. So I'm going to bag those up as well and share some of those. And then tonight, I looked up some beach quotes and sayings. You know, like memories are made in flip-flops. Beach hair, don't care. All you need is a good dose of vitamin C, and the C is SEA. So I found a bunch of them. Beach hair, don't care. I cut them up, and I did a rough cut. So when she gets these, she can really put them in a machine and kind of slice them good, and so that they're directly even. But I put them in a envelope, plastic envelope with some sequins, and then I just put the rest of them in here, and then just did a bag topper, really simple bag topper that you can just rip off. No biggie. These are letters from the Sunshine Bits and Pieces collection, and then a pair of the sunglasses from Place and Time from Joann's little embellishment pack. But I think this is such, you know, do your own quotes, ephemera, whatever you want to call these, but they're just so cute. She could use a distress ink, go over them if she wanted to. She could get some decorative scissors and cut decorative edges, maybe do some arrows or banners on the ends of them, whatever. This one says I need vitamin C. Oh my gosh. So the paper is just from the collection, and I just cut it down to size according to the bag, the plastic bag, and the plastic bag was 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. So I made sure the paper fit inside, and this paper just says summer in this ombre kind of color pattern. And I cut some up, put them in there, and then I just put some of this mermaid, is what it's called, sequence inside, and then stuck it on here. Oops, that shouldn't be there. Oh, great. I'll have to get that off. Look like I'm not going to be able to use that piece. But anyway, I thought it definitely is a great idea to use. You can do these fall quotes, Christmas sentiments. Just make your own. I'm using 110-pound cardstock so that they are pretty sturdy. And I'm just going to put them in here. I just don't want to get this too packed. Put it in there like that. And there you go. This will be, I think I'll throw 2 of these in here. I have enough room for that. And then we are off to putting this all in plastic and getting it in the mail. And I'm so excited about that, of course, with the card. So that is that project, that Happy Mail finished. Let me show you what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Like I said, I went to my Hobby Lobby here by my house, excuse me. And I was in looking for a ruffler, what is it called? It goes on the sewing machine, excuse me, when you want to, a ruffle or foot, when you want to make ruffles. My Singer does not have it, so when I went to Joann's, I talked with the seamstress, and she said you have to buy it, and that the Singers are pretty generic. They'll fit on basically all of the Singer machines. So I'm going to play with this weekend, and I'm working from home next week. So this is what I went to get, but I came out with some other stuff. So let me show you guys. I love the clearance. You know, I love the clearance. I love the clearance. So I found this. This was $2. Of course, one of the salt shakers is missing, but it just so happened that I have a full set up on the top of my kitchen counters. And I saw this on a 2-tier tray, and I thought, perfect. You know, it doesn't have to put that in there. You can almost put anything you want in there. So I had to get that. And then I got this little can. I love it because it's all chippied up. This was $4.49. Has the rooster. This is like a navy blue trim. And the inside is pretty clear. Thought that was cute too. I bought the rest of these pom-poms. You know, a couple weeks ago I bought 2. The trims weren't on sale this week. They're $2.99, so I just bought 2. I just don't want to run out. I love that pom-pom trim. I don't know how. I did not know about that, but I saw that on Shara Crane's channel. She talked about it. She loves it, so I went ahead and got 2 of those. I found some more dimensional stickers. You know, the last time I was at Hobby Lobby this weekend, I didn't even go down the sticker aisle. And then I happened to see Louisa went into Hobby Lobby and lost her mind. And all the stickers was on clearance. And I thought, oh my God, I didn't even go down there. So anyway, so I went down, just got a few. But I found some ribbon. This really pretty, remind me of Snow and Cocoa. Green, pink, and cream with the stitches on the side. It is wire. It's $1.47. So I'm going to $1.49. I'm going to put it over here because I'm going to attempt to make some bows with these other colors that I have. So I want to keep those out. And then I found these here, dimensional stickers. They're called Beach. And they were 99 cents. Really cute. And then I found this Christmas one, 74 cents. It's called Pop-Up. So they are dimensional. They have that foiled look about them. Really cute. This one here, $1.24. 10 pieces, just sentiment. It remind me of Jen Hatfield's collection. But really sweet. So sorry for your loss. Deeply missed. So, you know, a cute note card. These could be used on and really will look really cute. Another Christmas one for 99 cents. 8 pieces. You have a camel. Oh my gosh. And you have a unicorn and a flamingo and a mermaid, all celebrating Christmas. So cute. And then another Christmas one, $1.24. The girl, the tree, joy, and stockings hanging. And I like getting these because they give me so many ideas on making my own dimensional stickers. Really cute. Okay, and then this Christmas here, called Hit the Slopes. It has a cute little felt hat, fresh powder, on the chairlift, the ski boots, the ski, the mountain, and then it says, I heart to ski, and then the goggles. And this was $1.24 as well. And then I got these Christmas, they're called Geo ornaments. So definitely have that foil look. They were 99 cents. And then we got a graduation card in the mail yesterday. And then I got one today. So I have some friends whose high schoolers are graduating. And both of them are going to Colorado State University. They don't know each other. The kids have never met. Both employees, the parents, work at where I work at. And they both ski, both families ski. So it just was the perfect school to go to, I guess. So I got 2 of these because I need to make 2 cards. And I'm not gonna, go crazy with trying to come up with something. Because I know I have nothing but black and white paper. So this will go with it. I'll just kind of get some inspiration online and see what I can make. And then lastly, I ordered online and it finally came. I ordered it from a store in the UK. And it's this super large pillow box die. So I saw, I can't even tell you who it was. Gosh. But she made this pillow box. She didn't talk during her video. And she altered it in a Halloween theme. And she sent me the link and I was like, oh, I gotta have that. This box is huge. This die is huge. So I think I'm going to put my Christmas tags as I gift them this year in this pillow box. You can kind of see how big that is. This is one end here and that's the other end there. And then it has a rolled flower, couple of leaves, smaller pillow box, or these are decorations to go on top, not sure, a tag, and then these go on the side. So Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin, and it's the largest die size. It's in millimeters. It's 204 by 283 millimeters, but it has 11 dies in here. And I'm so happy to use it. So here's the website, simplymadecrafts.co.uk. Okay, if that's something you're interested in. But that's what I will be making my boxes for my Christmas tags. So that's all I have for you tonight, you guys. I'm so glad that this is finished. I'm ready to send it, and I have a perfect box to send it in. So get ready when the package comes in your mailbox. I hope you like it. Okay, you guys, have a wonderful evening until my next video. Take care. Bye now.